There's a great opportunity to earn money online through a well-known business model called e-publishing. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can seize this opportunity and potentially build a thriving income stream. If you're interested in creating your own online success story, you're in the right place. The audiobook market is exploding, with substantial growth over the years. Audiobooks are increasingly taking market share from traditional formats like ebooks and paperbacks. At the center of this boom is Audible, the dominant audiobook retailer owned by Amazon. Through Audible's ACX program, anyone can create and upload their own audiobooks. Each sale can earn between $25 and $30, sometimes even more. Many people are earning thousands of dollars by simply uploading audiobooks to Audible. Here's how you can get started. First, come up with a topic for your audiobook. This could be based on your hobbies, passions, or areas of interest. A great starting point is to create list-type books, which are not only easy to produce but also perform exceptionally well in audiobook format. To validate your idea, search for your chosen topic on Audible. Look at the reviews. Books with numerous positive reviews are likely selling well and making money. For a more detailed analysis, there are paid tools like BookBeam that can estimate how much specific books are earning. With the right strategy, your audiobook could be next on the list of top earners. By following these steps and leveraging the power of platforms like Audible, you can take advantage of this growing market and potentially create a reliable income stream that could even reach 6 or 7 figures annually. Making money through e-publishing can be surprisingly straightforward, especially with books that are easy to create and have consistent demand. Let me walk you through an example and explain how you can replicate this approach. Take a book about historical trivia. It's one of the simplest types of books to produce, and it's generating royalties of $15 to $25 per day. Another example is a book on adventure stories for kids, which is earning $40 to $65 daily, substantially more in monthly income. These figures might not seem astronomical, but they add up quickly when you have multiple books performing similarly. If you don't have access to specialized tools for estimating royalties, there's a manual way to gauge a book's sales potential. Start by taking a book title and searching for it on Amazon. Once you locate the audiobook version of the book, scroll down to find its bestsellers rank, BSR, in the Audible Books category. For audiobooks, a BSR below 40,000 typically indicates a book is earning a few $100s a month. The lower the BSR, the better. For instance, a book ranked at 10,000 is likely making significant royalties each month. Once you've identified a profitable topic, the next step is creating the book. To turn your idea into reality, you'll need a manuscript, a cover, and a narrator for the audiobook version. For the manuscript, you have several options. You can write it yourself, hire a ghostwriter, or use tools like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and organize ideas. Keep in mind that AI should serve as a starting point rather than a shortcut for copying content. For example, if you're creating a trivia book, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas. You could start by asking for title suggestions, such as a collection of historical trivia. While it's tempting to use these suggestions as is, it's crucial to rewrite them and make them unique. This ensures your work stands out and avoids potential issues with originality. Once you settle on a title, you can use ChatGPT to draft an outline. For a trivia book, the outline might include chapters on topics like animals, history, and science. The AI can provide detailed structures for each chapter, such as covering interesting animal facts or exploring endangered species. Again, while these outlines can be incredibly helpful, you should customize them to reflect your style and vision. After finalizing the structure, you can dive into the content. For a chapter on any type of trivia, you might ask ChatGPT for 30 fascinating historical facts. From there, review the AI's suggestions, rewrite them in your own words, and add additional insights or anecdotes to make the content richer and more engaging. Earning royalties through audiobooks is achievable with a methodical approach. By focusing on topics with proven demand, leveraging tools like ChatGPT for efficiency, and ensuring originality in your work, you can build a portfolio of books that generates consistent monthly income. Creating an original book using tools like ChatGPT or outsourcing options can be a straightforward process, but it requires effort and attention to detail to ensure quality and originality. First, when working with AI-generated content like ChatGPT, it's essential to rewrite the output in your own words to make it unique. For example, if you use ChatGPT to draft ideas, you'll need to take the responses and rephrase them creatively. This step not only ensures originality, but also allows you to add your personal style or voice to the content. Beyond rephrasing, always verify facts because AI can occasionally be incorrect. Fact-checking may take a little extra time, but it's a crucial part of the process to maintain credibility. If writing the content yourself seems overwhelming, hiring a ghostwriting service like the Urban Writers is another great option. They offer different pricing plans depending on your needs, making it a completely hands-off process for you. Although this method is more expensive, it saves time and ensures professional results. Once the content is ready, the next step is to create a book cover. Designing a cover can be simpler than you might think. You can use tools like Canva to make one yourself, or hire professionals on platforms like Fiverr for a more polished result. Professional designs typically cost between $10 and $25 for an ebook cover. If you need covers for different formats, such as paperback or audiobook, the price may go up slightly. For those creating entertainment books, especially trivia books, there are specific gigs on Fiverr that also include the book's interior content along with the cover for around $40. This can be an excellent investment for specialized projects. After completing the manuscript and cover, you're ready to publish your book. Start by uploading your book as an ebook on Amazon's KDP platform. You'll need to create a KDP account by visiting kdp.amazon.com and signing up. Once logged in, click Create a new title and choose Create Ebook. Here, you'll input details like the book title, pen name, and description. For keywords, select terms relevant to your topic. For a trivia book, you might use phrases like fun facts or interesting trivia. Carefully choose the book categories, such as nonfiction or games, to maximize its visibility to the right audience. Publishing your ebook on KDP is also the gateway to converting it into an audiobook. Once your ebook is live on Amazon, you can upload it to ACX, Amazon's audiobook production platform, and expand your reach to audiobook listeners. This step further boosts your earning potential by tapping into Audible's vast market. By following these steps, you can transform an idea into a professionally published book, ensuring originality and quality at every stage. Whether you choose to write the content yourself, use AI tools for inspiration, or outsource the work entirely, this process sets the foundation for success in the e-publishing world. When you're ready to publish your book, you'll start by uploading the manuscript and cover through KDP. Begin by saving your manuscript as a docs file, then upload it to KDP along with the book cover you've created. Once uploaded, you can preview how the final product will look to readers. This step allows you to make any adjustments before proceeding. After reviewing everything, save and continue. Next comes the pricing stage. Here, you have the option to enroll your book in KDP Select, which I recommend because it can help generate some revenue directly from Amazon. Keep the distribution open to all territories and set a price for the book. Pricing isn't critical at this stage since the primary goal is to prepare the book for audiobook production on ACX. Once the pricing is set, click Publish Your Kindle Book. Amazon will take about 24 hours to review your submission, and once approved, your book will be live on their platform. Now comes the exciting part, turning your book into an audiobook. Start by signing up on ACX, Amazon's audiobook production platform. After logging in, click Add Your Title and search for the book you've just published on Amazon. When you find it, select This is my book and indicate that you're looking for a narrator and producer. Fill out the copyright details, such as your pen name and the publication year, and specify whether your book is fiction or nonfiction. Complete the other straightforward fields, then confirm that you'd like to receive auditions. For auditions, upload a short sample of your book. A one-page excerpt works well. This allows narrators to showcase their abilities and helps you decide who's the best fit. Specify the word count of your book, for example, 10,000 words, and choose exclusive distribution through Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. At this stage, you'll need to decide how to pay for the audiobook production. First, you can pay upfront for the narration. This means covering all production costs yourself, but keeping 100% of the royalties from audiobook sales. If you have the budget, This is the better choice since you retain full royalties and maximize long-term earnings. The second option is royalty sharing. With this arrangement, you split the royalties 50-50 with the narrator, so you don't pay anything up front. While this may seem appealing if you're on a tight budget, it significantly reduces your earnings over time. I strongly recommend paying upfront for production if possible, as it ensures you keep all profits from future sales. Once you've posted your project, narrators will start submitting auditions. Listen carefully to each submission and choose the one that best suits your book's tone and style. After you've made your selection, the narrator will typically need 1 to 2 weeks to complete the audiobook, depending on its length. Review the final product, and if you're satisfied, approve it. Your audiobook will then be ready to reach listeners on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. With this setup, you'll be positioned to maximize your profits while offering your content to a broad audience. By managing the process strategically, you can create a professional, high-quality audiobook and build a lucrative stream of passive income. Once the audiobook project is completed and submitted, ACX will take about 10 days to review it. Once they approve the project, your audiobook will be published on Audible. At that point, your book is live and ready to start earning money. It's incredibly satisfying to see your work available on such a popular platform, knowing that it can generate income over time. Instead of using ACX, you can also turn to Findaway Voices. This platform allows you to upload your audiobook and follow a similar process. One major advantage of Findaway Voices is its broad distribution network. While ACX primarily focuses on Audible, Findaway Voices can distribute your audiobook to additional platforms like Spotify, iTunes, Google, and more. This extended reach gives your book even more opportunities to find its audience. What I love most about audiobook publishing is that it creates digital assets that have lasting value. Once your book is published, it continues to generate income without any further effort. But as you publish more books, the income compounds and grows over time. The beauty of this model is that you do the work once and it keeps paying you for years. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.